Yes.
Yes, bless your lordship. Lordship, I may be allowed to mention item 15.
Let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list. Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, kindly grant me 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state.
MS Swenson. When counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes,
My
Mr.
lords.
Kusiku.
Lordship, the petitioner is facing something. There are financial problems, so he's not in a position to comply with the orders of the Honorable Court as of now, Lordship. And since his health is not very good, he could not turn up to the Lordship before the Honorable Court.
If the petition is dismissed, what is the consequence?
The trial will go forward. Lord.
Okay. We dismissed. Yes. But Mr. Fusego, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for
The sole respondent.
the sole respondent. By the order dated 21/6/2024. Passed by this court. No, but not by the order. On 21/6/2024. This court has passed the following orders. From here, 21/6/24, from the cross mark. Okay. Stop. On 4/7/2024. This court had observed that. Sri Manish Chitoria. Shall personally appear before this court on 10/7/2024. And explain as to why the order dated 21/6/2024 has not been complied with. Stop. It was further made clear that if the order passed by this court is not complied, this court shall consider passing necessary orders, including the dismissal of the present writ petition. Today, when the matter is listed, Mr. Fusako, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner, correct?
Lordship, petitioner.
The petitioner is
Madam-
unable to attend the court today.
It's not the
No, no,
petitioner,
it's
it's the general manager
General manager
of the firm.
representing the petitioner. General manager, Mr. Manish.
Mr. Manish Chitoria, the general manager of
Project Asia Limited.
of
MS Rose.
the
MS
petitioner's
Rose.
firm,
Yes, Lordship, petitioner's firm.
of the petitioner's firm, is unable to appear before the court, nor has the order dated 21/6/2024 passed by this court complied. In view of the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, this court feels that no purpose will be served by keeping the petition pending. The civil revision petition 3/2021. Accordingly stands dismissed.
Lord, if in the order, direction may be given to the lower court to proceed with the criminal complaint.
The, which case?
Criminal complaint 1 is pending before the Chief Judicial Magistrate Fifth.
The learned judicial, stop. In view of the order passed today, the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kipiri,
Yes, Lord.
shall proceed with the trial of
Criminal complaint 1 of 2022.
criminal complaint 1 of 2022.
Like, I have
For admission, item number 3. This IA, IA, what is this IA 6?
We have filed to bring the check dishonored on records.
To
To bring the dishonored check on records, on court records. Because the order dated 14/12/20.
so all these IA will stand as disposed.
Yes, Lord.
Okay.
Yes, Lord.
In this IA criminal 6, in view of the order passed in WPC, view of the order passed in
criminal revision 3.
criminal revision 3/2023, the IA 6/2024. Okay, don't write the IA, but in 6/2024, the IA stands disposed. So also with the same order, IA 9/2024. This also same,
Yes, Lord.
and so also the same order with IA 15/2024. Okay. Okay.
Right, my lord.
Your Lordship, here the pleadings are completed, Your Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed, and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay. For admission, item number 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, here also pleadings are completed, so kindly let the matter be listed in the usual course of hearing.
Okay. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed, and the matter can be listed for hearing in the usual course. Listed accordingly.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 5.
Your Lordship,
Yes.
here state is yet to file affidavit, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time.
AIME, the learned government advocate, 6 for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Here is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. For admission, item number 6.
Your Lordship, similar prayer here also, state is yet to file affidavit.
Okay. Same order.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 7 and 8.
Your Lordship, the
Yes.
state is yet to file an affidavit. Wait at it for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Hmm. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
Mr.
Your Lordship.
So-and-so, learned government advocate is allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay. For admission, item number 9.
Your Lordship, on behalf of Tiba Bom,
Yes.
we are still yet to receive instructions, Your Lordship. We pray for 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Here, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 18/7/2023, where the petitioner's land was held to be a public land. Eviction.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, the learned government advocate is granted 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition.
Your Lordship, there is an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 10.
Your Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
MSAIME, the learned government advocate, is allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 11.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, we have received affidavit from all the respondents, so kindly grant us 2 weeks' time to give a reply to the respondent.
Therefore,
Petitioner, Lordship.
you want to file reply to whose affidavit?
Respondent number 5 in the government respondents.
Okay. Mr. Senso, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondent as well as the private respondent. number 5. Yes,
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 12 to 14. May I please, my lord?
yes, Mr. Anandami.
Lordship, on the last occasion, this honorable court has asked me to get the instruction on the latest update with regards to payment of the area salary of the petitioners, your lordship. The petitioner's salary is whole up from June 2021 up to date, your lordship. I have received the instructions, your lordship, if I may be allowed to place them before my lord.
File an affidavit.
Lordship,
The last order clearly says that.
yes. Lordship, the last order actually relates to the committee and whether the committee has taken any decisions or not, Lordship.
No, accordingly, the court directs the state respondent to complete the verification insofar as the petitioners are concerned by 28/6/2024 and file an affidavit on 8/7/2024.
Lordship, I agree. The Lordship, if I may be allowed to make one short submission, your Lordship. The verification has done, is completed, and the petitioner's salary, some part of it has already been paid, your lordship.
Is it?
My lord, I've received instruction from my client that they have received only for 2 months.
2 months.
Yes, my lord.
So this is for June 2021, 2 months.
No, your lordship, not 2 months. The record says otherwise, your lordship.
Okay, okay. We say that you have received the verification report
Lordship.
and you will be placing the same by way of an affidavit.
Okay, my
Okay,
lord.
okay. Let them place affidavit,
Lordship.
but pay the entire salary if you have utilized the work.
Yes, my lord. In fact, your lordship, some of the petitioners, your lordship, their salary has already been paid for 1 year, and some already for 6 months. The records is there, your lordship.
What about the rest, the balance salary?
Lordship, in fact, it is not just the petitioner alone, but all the work charge employees that are appointed in the PWD department.
Why do you use their service without paying them?
No, your lordship, in fact, what happened was their salary was hauled up due to a verification because of these ghost employees.
Okay. Mr. N. Angami, the Illinois Senior Government Advocate, submits that he has received the instructions on the verification conducted by the department
Yes, and the payment of the area salaries of the
with
petitioners.
regard to the payment of the error salaries to the petitioner, and will be filing affidavit to that effect. And therefore seeks for 2 weeks' time. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged. my lord. For admission, item number 15.
Bless
Yes,
your
Mr.
lordship.
Mua,
Yes.
you are yet
lordship,
to file your counter.
Yes, I'm here to file the counter.
Okay. Okay. We give 3 weeks time.
Lordship.
Mr. Mua Imchin, the learned senior government advocate, is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
Obliged, lordship.
For admission, item number 16. Lordship, on behalf of
Yes.
Achungni, government advocate, the affidavit has been sent for vetting.
Okay.
We pray for 2 weeks to file the affidavit.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention, learned council makes a mention on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, the learned government advocate, and submits that the draft affidavit has been sent for waiting, and the same will be filed in 2 weeks' time. Stop. 2 weeks, 3 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the state respondents to file affidavit. Yes.
Obliged.
For orders, item number 17.
May I please your lordship?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, I'm the phone number 329. I'm yet to receive the instruction. So I may be
But
allowed to.
affidavit with regard to justice service upon respondent number 10 not yet filed.
Lordship, we've already placed that on the court.
What was the, by which order you were directed to file a
By order dated 5/12/2023.
512? Okay. 512.
Respondent number 10 is a public information officer, officer of the Deputy Commissioner of Tech.
On the, have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Lord.
Is he a necessary party, Mr. Limawabang?
I don't think, Lordship. Respondent number 7 can represent respondent number 10.
And who is respondent number 7?
The Deputy Commissioner of Tech.
When have you filed that affidavit?
Lordship, on 7 March.
Yes. In terms of the order dated 5/12/2023. Notice upon respondent number 10 by dusty process has been served. And the petitioner has filed the affidavit dated 8/3/2024 to that effect. Have you filed your affidavit, others? Mr. M. Tim Song, the learned additional advocate general, submits that he may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents.
Lordship.
Okay, prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 18. May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, service upon respondent number 5 is still awaited. Lordship, I pray that I may be allowed to take fresh steps against the respondent number 5.
Right, who is 5?
Lordship is the complaint. He is the person that's lodged a complaint against the petitioner. And since that was in 2019, and since then, the deputy commissioner has yet to dispose of the litigation. It's been pending. In fact, Lordship, this honorable court on the day of motion on 14/12/2023, I've directed to expedite
Is he a necessary party? Five,
Lordship,
necessary party.
Lordship. Since he has lodged a complaint against the petitioner, so Lordship. So we are allowed to take fresh steps
By
by registered post, Lordship.
registered post. Mr. Fusako, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 by registered post with AD within a period of,
Within 2 days, Lordship.
within a period of 3 days from today, listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes, next.
Oblige, my lord.